Welcome back to Universal Tech Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to fully automate the creation of 10 Hyper-V virtual machine, all using differential disk with just a simple PowerShell script. Each VM will have 4 GB of RAM and 4 core CPUs, and we'll connect them to an internal virtual switch. Let's get started. As you can see, I have no virtual machine here, no internal switch. Alright, and we will do everything from scratch. First, let's make sure your PowerShell started with admin privilege. So here I have already prepared everything. So here the script we'll use. I'll walk you through it. So in the settings, we'll have location for the parent disk. Similarly, under VHD, as I showed you here, let me show you first. Here I have two folders, one for parental hard disk and the other one for virtual machines. Right now we don't have any virtual machines yet. So here, if you are looking into this area, I have already set it the absolute path for the everything for parental virtual hard disk path, VM path, as well as switch name, right? And the next step here, I have just tried to create virtual switch. So if that virtual switch has been already existed, it won't create, otherwise it will create there. Similarly, if you are looking into this one, the differential disk, here I have created a loop. That loop would help to create 10 different virtual disks as per the computer name, and the virtual disk name would be pc1.vhd to pc10.vhd. Similarly, if you are looking into the second part, here I have created and configured VM machine for 10 machine. So this is the loop again, and here is the PC name, right? And the PC name would create automatically as per their virtual disk name. Now here, if you are looking into this area, I have already defined virtual memory for 4 GB. It's a generation 2, sorry, it's a generation 2 virtual machine, and here you can see we have virtual machine as well as virtual switch and virtual hard disk location. After completion of this script, system would automatically start upgrading the number of core into each of the virtual machines. As I mentioned before, we have 4 core CPU into each of the machine. Similarly, at the end, machine would start as soon as complete the creation, and you will have a message for this one. So in this loop here, it would help to create machine and then upgrade the virtual CPU core, and it will starting that machine. Alright, so this is how we're gonna create this one. So if you are looking into this area, let me aside this one and start this script to run. Now have a look here. Virtual disk is creating here. Now machine started to create a machine, and here you can see it shows that machine has been created, CPU upgraded. Similarly, it would start that machine, and one by one we'll have 10 virtual machine together, and as soon as machine has been created, the machine automatically started there. So this is So this is how we're gonna create virtual machine, start virtual machine, as well as upgrade the CPU of each of the machine, and a switch would automatically will be there. So let me sort it here. If you are looking into any one of these machine settings, under setting you would have 4 GB of RAM, 4 processor, as well as hard disk name and internal switch that has been automatically created. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. I hope this will be helpful for you. Please like, subscribe and comment below if you want more automation tips for Hyper-V and PowerShell. See you in the next video. Thank you.